Now, there are 3 upgrades with this Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and first would be the design. IP68. Are they cutting corners? Like, they call this color fusion purple, and just have a look at this. Now the highlight here is IP68, so you can dip it in water, it will survive. Because you're getting a vegan leather finish with a fully curved design, so it feels premium plus grippy in the hand. Looks poppy. Let me see if I can show you what I mean. Like, both are equally vibrant, colors, brightness, sharpness, and all are identical. And I'm not saying that iPhone's display is bad. Plus, this display supports HDR cum Dolby Vision on Netflix, and it has a peak brightness of 1800 nits. Now, liking curved display is very subjective. Also, an added bonus is you get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which I believe is the first in this price segment. Plus, it also has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is pretty fast and accurate. And speaking of fast, this comes with a Dimensity 7200 Ultra chip, 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. However, the base variant starts from 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and goes all the way up to 12,512GB. Now, in normal regular use, browsing the web, watching videos and all of that, there is no lag or anything. And we ran a few benchmarks. On Antutu, it scored around 7,11,000, which is similar to Snapdragon 888. Plus, we ran the CPU throttling test for 15 minutes, and see, the graph is all green. There is no overheating or anything as such. And then playing normal games like Asphalt and all, the phone does a pretty good job. But how well does it handle everyone's favorite BGMI? Well, let's see. So you can play 60 FPS as smooth graphics, and let's go. Maru. Nice, you get like 60 FPS. So yeah, for the price, I would say the performance that you get is pretty good. Now coming to the camera, things are pretty interesting here. Let's talk about the good things first. You get a 200 megapixel main camera with OIS, and in outdoor daylight condition, the picture come out pretty nice.